Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
Sonnet 116 full text. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. Oh no! It is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempests and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bark, whose worth's unknown, although his height be taken. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom. If this be error and upon me proved, I never writ, nor no man ever loved. Summary. Sonnet 116 defines true love as constant, unchanging, and eternal. Opening lines 1 to 4. The speaker declares that true love doesn't change even when circumstances change or when lovers change. Real love is not shaken or altered. Metaphors 5 to 8. True love is described as an ever fixed mark, like a lighthouse that stands firm during storms. It is also a guiding star to lost ships, whose value can't be fully measured. Time and love 9 to 12. Although beauty fades with time, the rosy lips and cheeks fall to time's sickle. True love is not affected by time. It endures until the edge of doom, the end of life or the world. Final couplet 13 to 14. The poet ends confidently. If he's wrong about love, then he's never written a word, and no one has ever truly loved. Analysis. Themes. True love. The sonnet celebrates ideal, spiritual love, not based on beauty or changeable emotions, but something eternal. Time versus eternity. Time destroys physical beauty, but love is immune to time's power. Certainty and faith. The speaker expresses unshakable belief in the nature of true love, offering absolute statements with poetic certainty.
Literary devices. Metaphor. Love is a lighthouse, a guiding star, and not time's fool, all reinforcing love's constancy. Personification. Time is personified as a grim reaper, bending sickle, and a force that cannot affect real love. Paradox. Even though beauty fades, love doesn't fade, an idea that seems contradictory, yet emotionally resonant.
Final couplet as a logical challenge. If this is wrong, then nothing I've written is true. A bold rhetorical device asserting the speaker's conviction. Tone, confident, elevated, and idealistic. Shakespeare uses lofty language to express profound faith in the enduring nature of love.
Conclusion. Sonnet 116 is a powerful declaration that true love is unwavering, unaffected by time, change, or external conditions. It stands as one of Shakespeare's clearest and most moving statements about what love should be, not fleeting or based on appearances, but permanent, selfless, and timeless. Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.